Hello guys, welcome back. This is Vikas Patil and today we are going to discuss about exception handling. And we are recording this video on 20th of Feb 2023. So let's talk about what is exception handling. First we talk about what is exception. So exception is the unwanted situation or condition which may lead to terminate abnormally our program. So it is called as exception. So where exception is occur, suppose when we write a code, then suppose we write a code on array. So there we initialize the array in which there are the 4 elements are present. Suppose we access these elements one by one, or we access 0 index element, then the program is execute normally or execute or terminate successfully. Or suppose we access or we try to access the element of the index of 5 index of 5, then it's throw an exception or our program terminate or terminately. So what we do if our program is not terminate abnormally? So then we use the two concepts or two things like try and catch blocks. So we write, suppose if you have if you want to, or if you imagine these line code are throws exception or any type of exception, then we write this line in a try block. Okay, try block, and the another or we notify or any notification to the user, then we write this line in a catch block. So what will happen any exception throws in our program? So if the exception arise in that line, the JVM check if any code or any line of code write in that method. So suppose if we don't write any line of code or which can be on exception, then it's goes that method where the exception occurs. Okay. So if there are not any code which can be handle the exception, then the JVM comes to the exception handler. Okay, the exception handler creates the object of that exception. Suppose the exception is generated arithmetic exception. So the exception handler creates the objection of that object of that exception. Okay, and prints the information about that exception. So that's all about exception handling. So if you have any doubt about exception handling, then you can comment on comment section. Thank you for watching this video.